Hi guys, I'm back with another Photoshop trick. Let's start. Now let's place this cloud behind as if it were a natural cloud. It would be very unprofessional if we try to place the cloud by deleting it. If we only do screen, this will not give us the effect we want. So first of all, let's add black and white from the bottom. Then hold down the Alt key and click. Then let's reset the cyans and blues values here. And then let's turn our cloud into screen mode. And bingo! We can erase the rest of the edges. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.